Hello everyone, I am Dr. Gaurav Sahu, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SIRT Bhopal. Today I am here to deliver a lecture on development of Pentagonal Prism. As that Pentagonal Prism is actually a type of solid which is having a base in the form of pentagon, which is enclosed by rectangular faces. So here, when we are talking about development is actually the add-on topic of solid. So if anyone want to learn about the development, firstly he should learn about how to draw the solid. Then only he can focus on development. So development of pentagonal prism, it is a part of geographic subject for the first year for all branches. So let us move further. So for teaching this development, I am taking one of the question. Draw the development of lateral surface of pentagonal prism of base 50 and height 55. Those who know how to draw the development, how to draw the pentagonal prism, they will easily catch that the when you are putting any of the pentagonal prisms like object on the quadrant, you will view from the top a pentagonal structure. That pentagonal structure is nothing but its top and as well as bottom, because both the things will be colliding on each other. So here it is actually a top base ABCD, and if you want to mark, then you can mark the bottom base also. And that bottom base is nothing but that bottom base is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is the bottom base. Okay. Now, dear student, you will take out the center, because center is very necessary when you are drawing the object which is in the form of pentagon and about hexagon. So here you have taken out the center. Center you can name it O. And now you will projecting each and every point on the bottom. The point of bottom are known as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have projected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the bottom. And you easily know that ABCD will be on the top. So now begin the journey of top is that height of the axis 55 mm. You will draw all the projector from the bottom to the top, from here, and from here, and enclosed it because the top is also in a form of straight line. So you will get this kind of image. And if you want to understand more, like I can annotate over here, like this point is shared by 2%. Okay, this point is the point part of bottom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This part is for the top ABCD. As per the rule of numbering, the point which are at the outer goes top, and point which are at the inside goes at the bottom. So here it is 1 dash. Here, dear student, it is 2 dash. Here, dear student, it is 3 dash. Here, student, it is 5 dash. And here it is 4 dash. Similarly, students, what you can do over here is that ABCD you can implant over here, but in case of development, you can take relaxation of top side. But if you are drawing the solid, then you have to draw it with full rules and regulation. Now let us move further. This is the drawing of the pentagonal prism in the front view. And now I am moving towards the development task. Always remember that when you are drawing any sort of prism, open with the formula of perimeter. The prism is equal to perimeter. Okay. So how you will imply the prism having 5 sides. 5 sides, perimeter is 30 each, so 150. Now what you will do? You will draw a line of 150 mm, and that is how you are opening any sort of prism. The figure generated by any sort of prism is nothing but a rectangle. Draw the line, draw the height 55, 55 and enclosed 55 height. So when I'm talking about prism, so the development of prism is actually rectangle. Formula prism is equal to perimeter and the development of prism is equal to actually a rectangle. The portion is not completed because you have to mark the 5 corners also. So you will divide this 150 into 5 equal parts by line division method and you will embark all the points over here. Now at final what you have to do, you have to do the numbering. Take 1, take 2, take 3, take 4, take 5 and take 1 again. Why? Because in case of development, the starting point is end point are same. So this is how you will draw the development of any sort of surface. So dear student, this is all about the development of surface. You can also mark top, but in development case, you don't have to mark the top base. If you want to mark, you can mark. If you want to mark this center line over this, you can easily mark over here. This can also be as per the rule. You can mark O, okay. So this is all about the development of prism. You've taken the pentagonal prism. You can easily acknowledge both of the things. Prism is opened by the perimeter formula. Prism development is rectangle. So this is all about this topic. Thank you very much.